This is the IELTS Speaking Mock Test, taking place at IELTS Listening Hub. The candidate is Max. Candidate number 05947228. The examiner is Jasmine. Examiner number 878753. Good morning. My name is Jasmine. I'll be your examiner today.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
May I know your full name, please?
Yes, my name is Max.
Thank you, Max. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You may keep it now. Okay, let's start the test. All right, Max. In part 1, I will ask you some questions. Let's talk about decisions. Are you good at making decisions?
Sometimes yes and sometimes no. If decision is small, like what to eat, I make fast. But big decisions, I take time. I think too much.
Do you make decisions alone or with others?
Mostly, I ask my parents or friends because I feel safer when I discuss. But some decisions I try to make alone to be more independent.
Is it difficult for you to make important decisions?
Yes, a little difficult for me because I always worry, what if I make wrong choice? So I think for a long time.
Thank you. Now we will move to part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say and make some notes if you wish. Here is a pencil and paper for making notes. Here is your topic/card. All right? Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. Don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when the time is up. Your time is up. Please begin speaking.
Okay. An important decision I made was choosing commerce instead of science after my 10th class. In my school, most of my friends chose science, and even my teachers told me, you can try science. But honestly, I was not very strong in maths and physics. So I thought for many days, and I talked to my parents also. They told me that I should choose the subject where I feel comfortable and where I can do well. Finally, I decided to take commerce. At first, I was scared because I thought people might think I am not good in studies. But later, I understood it was the best decision for me. In commerce, I enjoyed subjects like business and economics, and I actually scored good marks. This decision helped me choose my college also, and now I want to make a career in business field. So this was an important decision in my life, and I feel I made the right choice.
Thank you. Now we will move on to part 3. Why do people sometimes find it hard to make decisions?
Um, I think people find it hard because they're afraid of making mistakes. When decision is big, like job, studies, marriage, it can change whole life. So people think a lot and sometimes feel confused because they don't know what is right or wrong.
Do you think young people are good at making decisions?
I think some young people are good, but many are not fully experienced. They don't know much about life, so they take decisions quickly, sometimes without thinking. But young people also learn fast, so making mistakes also helps them grow.
What kind of decisions are the most difficult to make?
I think decisions related to future are the most difficult. For example, choosing a career, choosing a life partner, or moving to another city. These decisions need time, guidance, and experience, so they are harder than small daily decisions.
Do you think people should ask others for advice before making decisions?
Yes, I think taking advice is useful because older people, parents, or teachers, they have more experience. But at the end, person should decide themselves because it is their life. Advice is good, but final choice should be personal.
Thank you, Max. That is the end of your speaking test. Thanks for watching this IELTS speaking mock test. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.